Before beginning, make sure all parts included in the kit are present. Step 1. Remove the 2nd, 5th, and 8th nuts from the box lid bolts and save them for later. Step 2. Align the truck light assembly and reinstall the nuts bolting the light assembly in place. Step 3. Route the end of the wire harness behind the gas spring guard. Step 4. Place the magnet bracket against the bottom lid channel and install the 2 self-tapping screws to secure the bracket assembly. This completes installing a lighted truck box upgrade kit. If you need assistance or have questions, visit our website or call customer service. If you need assistance installing a box on your truck or wiring a lighted truck box, see the links in the description.